Hi, welcome. My name is Kasha Kostelik, and I'm presenting to you an internship opportunity that I am lucky to be a part of for quite some time now with my company called the Commencement Group, and it is a sales and marketing internship. A little bit about myself. I am the philanthropy chair for IBA. I am a junior here at ISU. I'm majoring in international business and minoring in Spanish in European studies. And I've been a part of commencement group for 3 years now. And funny story is that I got this internship from my boss Kayla, who came to our meeting and presented to us. So I thought I would come and do the honors and pass it along to you guys for this upcoming semester. I can't give the full spiel as we are not completely offering it, as this internship does require us to travel and to go to different colleges and universities, as this is a sales and marketing internship. So, in general, what is this internship? This internship allows us, like I said, to travel. As international business students, we want the opportunity to go abroad and to see new places and to connect with other students and employers and things of that nature. So, with this job, we get to see um, and go visit other schools across the country, whether it be U of I, Iowa, Michigan State, and other schools, not only in the Midwest region, but mainly in the Midwest, as our Chicago hub allows us to visit a lot of surrounding schools. This internship is open to a lot of majors and any majors. We have students that come from nursing and bio and engineer and every major. We go to schools to sell, as you can see in the picture, things such as t-shirts, flowers, bears, and anything you would see at a graduation. We do work long hours, but get paid 14 an hour plus if you reach certain bonuses. And then we have a philanthropy incentive for the club that gives $25 per active member to the philanthropy. So in our case, that would be given back to Kiva, which is really great. And then there's lots of perks to this internship. Once we do um, get to go beyond the Midwest region, we go to our other hubs. So there's hubs in the South, like in Atlanta or in New Jersey or in LA or in Vegas. We get to travel. All of the internship has everything paid for. So all of the food, travel, rental cars, everything is paid for. So the pictures you see here, we can get gourmet food, and then the airfare and the gas, mileage, everything is included and paid for. You get to make new friends, you get to add all this to your resume, you get to meet new people. Everything is cool and great, I guess. I mean, there's really nothing bad about this, I would say. We're I wanted to introduce this internship for you guys, as it is truly something I am passionate about and love to do every year. We are right now not recruiting for the winter time because we do usually pre-COVID have a winter season. But if this is something you're interested in thinking about, you can reach out to me and I can keep you in contact and in the loop and put you on the list for hopefully the upcoming spring season and for the upcoming seniors that will be graduating in the upcoming spring. So when there will be an internship there, I can reach out to you. So if you have any questions or comments or anything like that, you can let me know. See you guys.